This is going to be a challenge for my mower, but I can handle it. These are the most healthiest lawns I've got. Thickest grass, longest grass, and it's absolutely chucking it down. And I've got my little tiny mower. Never give in. I've cut that on number 3. I've cut that on number 4. I've cut that on number 3. I definitely can't cut on 5. I've got to cut this on 4. It's long there. The long over there. I might get away with it on 4. This is all autumn work. I'm going to clean this lawnmower because I think cleaning it will make it work better.